what is going on today. We are working on this under dash piece here in the unibody and molding these vents into the dash. We got one kind of mocked up. Patrick's got a more or less tacked and ground down in place right now. We're going to start on the other one. This is just going to demonstrate of how much work goes into a simple thing like adding a vent to the dash. So let's check it out. Alright guys, we got our starting template here. Patrick's pretty much already sharpied in the dash what he wants to cut out, so let's watch him get started. Aww, I think that's a love note. We got our little vent frame piece. We're figuring out what we need to cut out of the dash piece, and then we'll wrap around it with some metal on the bottom, and it'll be as easy as that, right?
Easy as that.
We got our little frame tacked in place, so now we're just going to be doing templates around the bottom curve piece, which takes into account about a million other curves. I think only 3 or 4, but we're going to call them a million. A million of them. Look at all those curves. Can't even count them.
I can't count that high.
I know. One.
You went too far from me.
Whoa. It looks good, it's just got a little bit more of a bottom lip than the other one, so we're correcting for that right now. And then we got some logistics to figure out as far as the vent going in and out when they take it to interior, so we'll just keep on going at it. Okay, and to solve our problem with getting the air hoses to fit, we've kind of made this a little adapter thing, and we don't even know if it fits under the truck, but we're gonna find out.
Cross fenders.
Right now. Much it for today. We got them mocked up. They're looking pretty consistent. This one's got the AC hose adapter on. We're going to do that one a little later, but just goes to show you all the work that can go into something as simple as a vent opening. And now even more work's got to go in on that side. Fun.